they are named as joint tenants. So this could be a sister and a sister.
Yes.
It could be a friend and a friend.
But
Could be, but in terms of you wanting to protect, by the way, I think you bring out a very, very good concept where you can say, I have 10 plots of land. What I'm going to do, I have 5 children. I'm going to register myself and each of my children on each property as joint tenants.
yes,
The moment I die, there is
everybody
no.
get theirs. Yeah, I think that's the case.
Yeah.
Instead of going for litigation,
Yeah,
tour of
they,
ropes,
you
then
know,
you do that.
yeah,
That's
but you
amazing.
know
That's
that,
amazing.
yeah, that may be a solution. But remember that when it comes to administration of estates, you're
Yeah.
not only looking at land and houses. You have NSSF, you have
Yeah.
gratuity,
Yeah.
you have money in the bank, you
Yes.
have shares,
Yes.
you have all these. Maybe something that we can talk about is that sometimes you can find, let's assume that's the case, and we say,
Yeah.
okay, there's no property in question. You still need the probate or the letters of
Yeah.
administration to touch the other side of the estate,
And yes.
which is all the things I've just mentioned.
Yes. There's
Yes.
something I also learned, Council. There's something I want my viewers also to learn, to know. There's something that we always take for granted, next of kin. And most people do not know the role of a next of kin. I thought it was something very big, that even when you ask someone and someone says, she is my next of
Oh.
kin, he's my next of kin. Guys, I want you to learn that today, next of kin is somebody they inform when there is a challenge. There's someone next of kin is somebody actually they inform of your death, or somebody who cannot take over anything that you own. That's when I learned about it.
Yes.
And if you're in the bank, I will tell you guys, if you want to clear things in the bank, if you want to leave your family not distressful, there is a document. I have forgotten, sorry. There is a document in the bank. This document, you ask the bank to provide you with this document. You fill this document and you clearly let the bank know that at the time of my death, my money directly goes to so and so. That document, you don't need to go to the estates management. You don't need to go to the administrator general. The bank will automatically give the money to the person you have allocated with. The banks, unfortunately, and I will speak the truth, the banks do not give this document to the owners of the accounts because some money is lost in the banks. But if you go to the bank and ask the bank to give you that document, I think I should, I'll find out that document and I'll come back to another podcast.
Me, I know what you're talking about, but I want to give you information on that.
Okay, but it's clear.
Transfer on death.
Transfer on death. Okay.
Is it applicable in Uganda?
No, you know the reason? Because you know the reason?
There
Because
is no reason.
most people do not know about it.
Not
But
really. Not
listen,
really.
in the bank, I ask somebody, in the bank, transfer upon death. When I go as me, the owner of the account and the signatory, I am supposed to sign that document. Upon my death, that money will not be taken to court under any circumstances.
Do you know any bank
Yes.
which has that form?